All right, today we're gonna bring a fish tank LED light, very elegant. If you guys can see it, it does come with an actual slider so you could attach to any aquarium. They have different various sizes. We're gonna set this up today and see how beautiful it looks. So you have a couple options. You could do it from the actual side of it. If you guys can see, there's a rail system here. Or if you want just the base itself to hang out completely from one end too. So you can do it from either or, from this direction or this direction. Now, just to be aware that this is not waterproof, so make sure that this not hit the water, right? It stays out of the water. They do give you an attachment as a release in case as a safety precaution if you have to pull the cable or something. We are going to set it up on the side profile, all right? Because I like to distribute the weight, and in case I move the fish tank, it's not going to break off or anything like that. It has a couple of attachments here that you could seal them up, and they're actually made of plastic. All right, so this whole thing is plastic except for the metal piece, so it does have its weight. And that's why I actually want to see if I could set it up in the middle and then put the cable on the side. So, and the cable has options. We're going to take a look at them. It has a timer on and off, and then different modes. All right, 24/7 mode, power button on too. So let's set this up and see how well it looks. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, let's take a look at the buttons. You got the 24/7 button, the color, the brightness and the power on, and the setting mode for the timer. Now, all this is adjustable with the brightness. You can just mess with the colors here. It's very simple to install, very simple to use.